When Buddha was young, he had questions such as what is life, who am I, all these phenomena, where do they come from? He left the palace and went to looking for answers. He learned everything he could, but he was still not satisfied. Then he thought, I have to really meditate to find the answers. He went to the river Niranjana and stayed there for 6 years meditating. One day he thought, okay, I will let go of everything and just be with myself, be as it is. When he did that, it looked like everything came together, but he could not really describe it. He was asked to teach again and again, so Buddha taught step by step. The first big teaching was mostly about healthy sense of self. The second big teaching was about beyond aspect, emptiness. Everything is beyond, yet everything is possible. When he was around 70 years old, he taught the last teaching, luminosity, Buddha nature, self beyond self.